Hello, this is my setup. So I need to show you how I took the beautiful setup on this part. But before I go on, I would like to remove all these. So I removed some of the level and I remained with some of the history that showed the trade I took. Kwa hiyo na nitaenda kupita trade moja moja kati ya hizi nilizochukua kwa kutoa sababu by giving a reason. As you see here, it is 15 minutes. Now let me take you to daily time frame so that you can see the overall trade, how it was, the overall chart, how it was. So this is the daily time frame. As you see here, the market just came to this level here. Let me change. This is a demand zone. So market just came, by the way, it swept all the way to here, but it came and just used a lot of time in this batch. But then let me go directly to the market just came here, it gave us shift at this place. Now I can just include here shift, it give us shift. So we have this shift here. Now the market just retested to this zone exactly and it bounced back up to here. My expectation was just to break this zone here. My expectation was just the price to break this zone, but then it failed and it ended to only this price here. As if you can see well, you can see clear, the market ended to this place here. Sorry. So okay, so market ended over there. Yep, you see here, so the market just ends here, and also market also failed to break this level. Now let me tweak or go directly to the lower time frame, like the lower time frame, like 4. So we have seen the overall market that it is now just about to go down. So as it failed to break this level, as I told you, in the daily time frame I could even spot the FVG present, but I will do so in current position. I mean in the current price action. Na tukiangalia hapa market ilishindwa kuvunja hii level, ikashuka, na baada ya kushuka imevunja kabisa hii level. I can observe the candle closure here. So this candle closure here confirm that we can just go down, but the price action will tell us where to go. So okay, let me remove this. But the price, this market left us with this FVG here. If you can see, I have FVG here. So I have FVG here. This is FVG, so probably market can just come back, bounce the FVG, then continue with the downward trend. That is my expectation, because market has broken this level, so it confirmed that we are still at the bearish. So at this daily time frame I observed the FVG na nimeiweka na nimeiona. Now what I need to go and check is the place broken by FVG so that I can know exactly where the market can go. So now let me jump directly to a 4-hour time frame. Now in the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, if I check to this price, there is no any formation here that is correlating with our FVG, and in the 4-hour time frame there is nothing here, but I can see there is this weak as in if I go to lower time frame, I will see a certain information here. So now before market reaches here down, we had this level as market before broken here. I want to show you how and why I took this trade. Kwa hiyo market ilivyofika hapa, in fact ikaonyesha hizi week na ikapanda juu kidogo, so my expectation hapa ilionyesha shift ndogo, kwa sababu hii ilikuwa ni it can act before. It was like this level was a demand zone, so because it is here, so I said that the demand zone had used it, and so then I can probably start to check for buys opportunity. And so then why buy? Because market was about to come to this FVG. As you can see, market just tapped once and then it came down. Let me switch, go direct to 1 hour. Now if I come to 1 hour, what the market did here, market just came back and it just cut off here, and it gave us shift after from the demand zone. So the shift was almost here at this time frame. So after that, now what was my things or my priority? The first focus was, if I can come here and maybe I use line. So I had this shoulder and the head here and another shift. So I wait just market to this price here, because I have head. Now the market just came, cut off, or should give us shift, and it bounce or it give at the first here, ikatuonesha ikaja ika reject mara moja. So market just came here and rejected. Let's check if it used it just took a price by week. It didn't, but here it tapped once. Now it just came back here. I didn't took this, I was not on the charts, but I waited once more here. So as market just gave us this here POS, so I said that probably market will go higher because it is from our demand zone. Kwa hiyo let's proceed. Now let me take you to 30 minutes. Now in the 30-minute time frame, as you see, market just came here and tapped the zone. As I said, it gave us this part. Now after it, I wait just here. Now let me take you to 15 minutes. 15 minutes is always my price of all my entry time frame. So by checking on the 15 minutes, now one could adjust here, but the first priority will be at this price. Now because this price had used it, so one was about to come here. Probably labda ndo maana hata nilipata hasara. So at least we're supposed to wait here, but you cannot enter just blindly, wait for confirmation. But for me, I didn't. What I did now, I think this is why I stepped out. You know, I just left here pending order. So by assuring that 30 minutes time frame will hold the price. So the price just came here, came back. My first TP was about here, but it failed. It just tapped, it come just above for short, and then it just came back. Kwa hiyo ukiangalia kabisa ni kwamba ni kama kuna vitu vilikuwa vijaenda sawa. Kwa mwisho wa siku market ikanitoa, but if I check on here on 15 minutes, so as you can see, when market is in the zone, what we need normally to check is we need to check this is structure, the reversal character. So probably market, if it's doing like this, and come. So what we just need is this shifting. Now market you click here, so it go boom. That is what I wanted to see there, but you can sometimes see different things. And what I can learn here is better you employ your 1 to 2 or 3 ratio, risk to reward ratio, so that you cannot be in a bad place. But we have different entry model, as this is the first. We have also most complicated. Now if you can have all like this, it come. Now if it do like this, we expect market to come here, but it can sometimes come back here. If we do this, now our entry will be here. This is the price of our entry, so market can also come back here, so we wait price here, so that it go. So just consider all this. This is another form of entry model, but they are all the same name. They have all the same name. This is what we call head and shoulder, but also you can have most complicated, like if price is obvious coming and it gives structure like this, what you prefer? It can come over there, although people wait here. This is not valid shift. It sometimes work, but I'm not interested with this kwa sababu iso shift sahihi. Kwa hiyo in case if market will break here, people wait here so that they can buy, but this is wrongly because no shift at all. Now so when the price just come here, break, so then what we need to see is price rejecting back to this zone here, and this zone we call failure liquidity engineering. Here is where is failure liquidity engineering. So here I have this. So when market come here, so I wait all the way to this place. So market is just up now, it go higher. So as if you can see, so the point of interest is there. Yes, that is obvious, and it sound, but you must put your SL at this place. Yes. So all the way, let me show you here, down. So this, my expectation was price to be at this place, that this will hold the market, but it failed, and then it just came all the way here down, because we had another formation down. So if you see when market reaches, now my point of interest is to this price here. This was where I needed to show you. So this market came to this zone here, it cut off here. We don't have a shift at all. Even if I show you here, just market, this is the lower low, this is the lower high. Market just give us this formation, it just cut off. We have no any shift, it is just an information. It just came, it didn't break this zone, so you cannot trade here. But then market came down here, it gave us, so here we have lower low, lower high, another lower low. It's the last. Now check at this zone how the price played to this. We have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is the valid shift. What you need to do is you wait market here. So you wait market here. That is how I took this trade. That is how I took this trade. So you see market just came tap the zone, and then it went boom. It went up to TP. So it is head and shoulder price action. Head and shoulder. Now we have also this another price. So market just, I was just waiting for market to break here so that it can retest to this zone. and in the 15 time frame. So in the 15 time frame, you know, market didn't confirm for the second entry at this place, because what you normally need to see, is if price do like this, price can do like this. Now it come, it give us shift, it use the zone. So if it come and break this level, the expectation is to come also to this place here, so that it can go, because normally the level correlates. So this goes with this goes with this, but apart from that, this goes with this. So obvious market to respect. That is what I needed to see to this structure here down. Hicho ndicho nitataka kukiona kwenye structure hapa. Kwa hiyo if you see here, the price just came pop and it gave all this, ilitumia hii zone ikaja, baadaye ilipokata ilishindwa kurudi tena, ilirudi tu ikatumia hapa, mwisho siku ikaondoka. Sasa baada ya kuvunja hii level, ikaonesha kuvunja hii level, my expectation was to wait price at this level, kwamba walau market irudi tena au alafu ndo tuendelee na safari second entry, but it failed, ilikataa kabisa, ilikataa. But if one could, my friend used 30-minute time frame, it confirmed in a good way. So the point of interest was here, using 30-minute time frame. You see? So using 30-minute time frames, kwa hiyo market ilikuja ikatengeneza hivi ikapanda, so one could take entry here, now ikaja ikavunja hapa. So let me just show you. Kwa ikaja ilivyovunja ikarudi kwenye hii zone hapa, then imeondoka. But then tulikuwa tunasubiri sasa kwenye 30-minute, in case market ivunje hapa, ikivunja ije humu kwenye hii zone, afu tuendelee na safari, kwa sababu tunaenda tena kwenye correlation ya level nyingine ambayo ni hii, kwa sababu tunakuwa tunaenda na price inapokuwa inatengeneza. So all the way market haijavunja hapa, kwa sababu haijavunja hatuwezi kuangalia tena buy opportunity, imefeli kuvunja. So we normally go with the price action, how the market is telling you. So kwa sababu imeshindwa kuvunja, huwezi tena kuangalia buy hapo. Kwa hiyo now for me that I was using 15 minutes. Kwa hiyo market ni kwamba ilinikataa, kwa sababu mimi nilikuwa nasubiri level hii ya chini badala ya kusubiri level hii ya juu ambayo ilitest kwenye 30 minutes. Again, if market could break here, so I could come and wait for the price at this place here. Ilikuwa it was just clear, ila kwa sababu market haijavunja, so I have no any other option as long as this market, the overall trend is downward trend. So I'm just looking or waiting. If price will just come back at this zone, I can check for sell opportunity. Yeah, I can check for sell opportunity. Why? Because it's broken this level here, and also it's broken all the way here. It's broken this level before before to break this. If it could start to break this, I could check for buy. It failed to break and it break this place. I'm just waiting for retracement here so that I can take it down. Ili trace kuja hapa, alafu nichukue. Kwa chini kuna level nyingi, kwa hiyo it is like that. So by saying this, thank you very much for your time and have a good day.